This is a full suspension, specialized mountain bike that's been converted to an e-bike with a front hub motor. And it's powered by 2 DeWalt batteries. Can these 2 DeWalt batteries get this e-bike all the way out and up there on top of the mesa? Let's find out. This route is approximately 2 miles and almost 1,000 feet of elevation gain. We're going to go from the Green River mineral bottom area up through the sandstone cliffs to the mesa above. E-bike didn't make it all the way to the top. We're this far, and there was some pushing for the last little bit, and
it made it a good 2/3 of the way, and then the power cut out.
So the motor cut out, and feeling this controller, the controller is just burning up hot. Touch. It's cooled off a little now, so
my DeWalt batteries still show a full charge.
But yeah, the batteries are still looking good. Just this steep climb seems to have been overtaxing that motor. And we only have a couple of more switchbacks before the top. Almost made it. Almost made it. Oh, now you'll come out. But at least there's a nice view when you're broken down. Gorgeous.
Well, it worked really good, you know, starting way down there where it was steep. It would just, I had to pedal some to keep it going because the power was not quite enough on the really steep first part. Once I got going with a little bit of pedaling, I just climbed right on up like at 10 miles an hour for a long time. It helped if I would put in a little bit of my own energy into it, and then I got about 2/3, 3/4 of the way up, and it just stopped. So I pedaled just by myself for a while, got in a lower gear until I ran out of energy, then started pushing it, and it's still really hot. So I'm hoping if it cools down, it'll go back to working, and I can finish going up the last couple of switchbacks, which is not very far.
Yeah, what'd you find down there, Blondie? As it turned out, the e-bike was dead. The motor may be okay, but the controller's completely shot. I guess the dog's gonna follow you.
Okay. She's leading me.
Sure is easy to see a white dog up there.
Make it to the top. Come on, go over there.
Blondie.
Go on. Over there.
Blondie, over here.
Blondie.
Blondie. Psst, psst, psst. Hey, Blondie, look. Look, come here. Come here, Blondie. The bike made it up. The e-bike, not so much.
Well, the DeWalt batteries did great. They still got a full charge. It got me 2/3, 3/4 of the way up before the motor gave out. Then I had to come up under my own energy like in the good old days. So DeWalt batteries did a good test. I like those. Now I need to get maybe a good motor. It's not one of those real cheapy ones.
All right, AliExpress motor. You tried and you failed. I'll have to try another motor now, see what works. Alrighty, thanks for watching.